Since its launch, the coin has piqued the interest of investors all over the world, with many of them investing large sums of money. The coin's value is rapidly increasing, and investors believe it will be profitable to hold it for a long time. On January 1, 2021, a $500 investment in Sandbox would have yielded over 1,665 Sandbox coins. After 13 months and 2 weeks, that investment, which was made at the time of making this video, will be worth over $6,500. That is, in my opinion, a significant return. With a live market cap of $4,162,914,243, the current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 36. The current value of the coin is $3.91. The price of SAND tokens is expected to rise in 2022. If you plan to hold the coin for the next few years, expect high prices and incredible returns for investors all over the world. Any trader with a small amount of money can purchase this coin. The price of a SAND token could reach $7.80 by the end of 2022, according to sources. Price prediction for Sandbox crypto in 2023. SAND's price forecast has now surpassed its previous high, indicating that investors expect the price to rise, resulting in a high trading price. Because it is currently at its lowest price and has the potential to increase in value more than previous coins, 2021 may be the best time to invest in this coin. According to sources, by the end of 2022, the price could be around $14.20. Sandbox price prediction for 2024. Now that we have reached our second last prediction, the coin is expected to provide a high return, but traders will need to hold the coin for a better return. According to sources, by the end of 2024, the price could be around $26.50. Price forecasts for SAND in 2025. Some investors predict that the price will rise to $60 in the next 10 years and that anyone who can hold on to the coin for that long will profit. Take a look at our Sandbox price forecast for 2025, which predicts a value of $45.70 for the coin. Price prediction for Sandbox tokens in 2030. The SAND token is expected to be worth $280 to $350 in 2030. We can expect a growing number of gamers to play Sandbox in the future because it is similar to Minecraft. In the year 2030, early investors could make a lot of money. Please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment in the box below.